Terry.
Hi, Kat.
How are you today?
Good. How are you?
I'm excellent.
Lovely sunny morning we have here.
I know the summer is coming to an end, sadly.
Don't say that. I'm going to stay in the shorts for a while.
But you know what autumn means is a lot of delicious tea.
Absolutely does.
And so you've got some new tea gear from OXO for us today.
Yeah, so we just brought on a couple of new OXO products. OXO makes some really fantastic stuff.
Yeah.
And so we just brought on a couple of things, and they're really great.
So we chose stuff that sort of kind of is in line a little bit with SEG does. I mean,
Yeah,
we're not going to have
absolutely.
your chef's knife.
It's true.
Yeah.
How did you know? It's true. Just some, tea and coffee focused stuff, because that's what we're all about. So a couple of kettles. So we have the classic kettle. This one is in a brushed finish, and it's 1.75 quarts.
Okay.
Or liters. I'm sorry, liters.
Whoa. Okay.
Liters, yes.
All right.
So silicone handle and kind of a classic tea spout there. But definitely a very nice finish on this one.
Cool.
Lovely stovetop. And then this one is their anniversary. This one is pretty intuitive. When you pick it up and you have water in there, imagine this full. It sort of does the work for you. So it's kind of a one-handed operation. This one is the 2 quart, so this one's a little bit larger.
Okay.
And this one has cork, so this is a cork accent there.
It's also
lovely.
like a funhouse mirror.
Yes, and
you
a
can
mirror
see
finish.
the cat in there.
All those people.
But I look crazy.
Yeah. So and then it's a little bit stiff because it's new. Oh gosh. Watch me not be able to do this. There we go.
There we go. Yeah, I love that it's got that intuitive handle with pour.
Pretty cool. So definitely, obviously, when you have water in there, it's going to be much easier and just one-handed pour, which is really fantastic. So very easy.
Okay.
And then the other items that we've got here in our bag of tricks. So this twisting tea ball. This has just basically a little swirly dude that you twist at the end. So also really pretty easy to access. And this has a really nice large capacity as well. So if you have a fuller leaf tea and you're putting it in there, you have some room for it to expand and all that. And it's definitely large enough for those more full leaf teas that
robust.
Are gonna need some expansion room.
Some room to move. And then also it seems like it would be pretty easy to clean too.
Yeah, definitely.
Right?
The holes are fine enough that they're not, all your leaves aren't going to get trapped in there.
Yeah.
But it's definitely, really easy. And they're like, these are top rack dishwasher safe. That's hard to say.
The little beaker set.
Yeah, the little beaker. So this is our next really easy to clean product. So going up from, this one is 2 ounces capacity, and then your little lines there, and then 1 ounce, and then a tablespoon and a teaspoon. And they're all...
So if you make crazy drinks like you that have like 87 syrups,
that's right.
You can really just line them all out, toss them in.
What's great too, if you're doing like 2 ounces total, you just use the 1. I hate dishes. And so you can just use the 1 and you can see this is where I'm at for my first syrup, this is where I'm at for my second, and it's really easy.
Every time we say beakers, I think of the Muppet Show.
Muppets. I love the Muppets.
Me too. But I'm always like, beep, beep.
Yeah, exactly. So it's perfect, and you can think of the Muppets every time you make your fantastic drink.
Yay!
And these stack too, which is really nice.
Yeah, so definitely condensed in your cupboards.
Exactly. So if space is an issue, you just pop them all together. These as soon as we brought these on, there were me and a couple of other people that were lining up with money in hand.
Yeah.
I don't want to take these home.
I think I have 3 sets now.
Oh,
it's a little crazy.
That's excessive.
I just lay them out and look at them. I'm like, look at how cute they are.
Like a beaker.
Exactly. Mad Science Cat. All right, so these are our OXO products. Thank you very much, Terry.
Thank you, Kat.